There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. How much can you cause
All right, so this is my work fit for today. Just, a simple fit. Normally, when I'm at home, guys, I don't really put on a lot of clothes because I'm at home. So just for the purpose of this video, I had to put on something, more appropriate. Normally, it would probably be a shorts, like a tube top or something. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna put on something that's a little bit more fitting. Anyways, I have a meeting at 8. It's almost 8. I'm assuming. Well, it starts at 8:05 now because I checked my Skype and they said the meeting starts at 8:05. So I need to log into that shortly, and I'll catch you guys shortly.
you, my love.
We usually do
You, my love.
along with my brother as well. And my brother
There was something you were screaming about.
Hey guys, it's Honesty. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So I'm actually doing a work from home vlog. This would be my first work from home vlog ever, and I'm pretty sure you guys probably did not know that I work from home because I did not mention that at all. You you guys don't even know what I do for a living, so I will just share some little bit of information about that. And I was very strategic in not letting you guys know, or probably let you guys in more. If you guys have been watching my videos, I've only been doing like hotel vlogs, food, restaurant reviews, and that was intentional, because I wanted to be sure in myself that I'll be able to keep up with this, YouTube world. So that's the reason why I wasn't pretty much sharing more details about my life, because if I was sharing more details and then I come off YouTube, what was the point? So I just wanted to be sure that I'll be able to handle YouTube, be consistent. I'm not saying that I'm consistent because I do not post every week, but I'm still here after a year. So that gives me, information to say, okay, girl, I can do it. I can continue YouTube. So basically, just to give you some information about myself, I've been working from home since around 2014. That's crazy, right? Like, yeah, I'm not a newbie to this work from home deal. So been working from home since 2014. I've been a freelancer since then. So how my work from home journey started, I was working at a call center, right, in Jamaica, of course, here, and the persons or the account or the overseas company, they told us specifically, the workers who was on that account, they said that they were going to pull their account from the Jamaican company, and if we would like to work from home for them directly. If we didn't take that, it was either we'll be out of a job or the local company here would have to find us another job. So I opted to, work from home for that company specifically. So that lasted for a few months, and I don't think it reached a year, but it lasted for a few months. And then after that, I was out of job. And then I heard about upwork.com, and that's when I applied for upwork.com. And trust me, it was a pain to even be accepted on that site. If you know how Upwork works, like you literally have to apply and then wait for them to accept you. So that took me a few months for them to accept me, so I'll be able to apply for jobs. So fast forward, I applied and I got through to a company on Upwork. That was actually that was an agency, and they're based in the US. So that's how I really got my start from Upwork. If you guys want more information if you're struggling with Upwork to be accepted or to even get jobs, comment down below. I can do a video on that. I also have a company that I can refer to you guys if you're a beginner on Upwork and no jobs are not coming in. Like Upwork is very difficult and competitive, so I can do a video on that if you guys wish. I can share the company that will actually get your foot into the door, and you know, to like have some working hours on Upwork, so you know, other, you know, business owners and companies will look at your profile. Because how Upwork works, like if you don't have any reviews or you're a beginner on Upwork, it's very hard to, you know, get on Upwork. So when I got my first job on Upwork, that was in 2015, and I worked for that company for 5 years on Upwork. Okay, 5 years I worked for that agency. That was appointment setting, customer service type of gig. So I started with them in 2015 on Upwork, and I ended I resigned from that job this year, March. I needed a change, and of course needed more income, and it just wasn't working for me anymore as it relates to the money. So I, you know, started looking on Upwork before I resigned from the job I was at prior. Of course, I was, you know, researching for a job on Upwork, and I finally found one. And March of this year, so I resigned from that and started this new job that I'm currently doing March of this year. So my current position is an onboarding account assistant. So basically, I won't give you the name of the company, but it's US based. It's a company that sells software. So my position really is, once a new customer comes on board, I'm assisting them into setting up and getting to know the software. And you know, if say for instance, if the company is coming from another software, I'm also in that department that help them with the transition of moving over to our software that they purchased. So yeah, that's basically what I do, onboarding assistance. It's a regular 9 to 5. And it's very flexible. Well, it's not that flexible because it's still 9 to 5, but I'm really enjoying it. It's very technical for sure. At days I'm really busy. I get really busy some days, and yeah. Every Wednesday we have a meeting at 8:30, but today they were having an end of summer party. So that meeting lasted for an hour, and it started at 8 this morning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some tasks. So it's just like a day in my life. I haven't ate anything yet. I don't normally eat breakfast so early. I just eat whenever I feel like. I don't have lunch breaks and stuff like that. It's not a set lunch break or whatever. So I just eat whenever I feel, get up whenever I feel, take a break whenever I feel. I just have to ensure that the work is done. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and start working right now because I really do have a lot of stuff to do. And at 1:30 I have to pick up my niece from school. So that's what the day is looking like for today. Just a lot of technical work, and that's it. So that's just a little information about me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, I appreciate it. I do see a lot of subscribers, and yeah, to all the person who has been following me since I came on YouTube, it's like a year ago. I appreciate you guys for sticking around, and comment down below, like this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. So just checking in. So it's almost 11:30, and I'm just having something from morning. I don't normally eat so early, and I eat pretty bad. As you can see, I'm having soda, Pepsi, the best ever, and also very unhealthy for me. And then I showed you guys that I'm having rice and a wing. Literally, I had 2 wings in the fridge, and then I check it back and only 1 left. You know, that happens when you live with people. So yeah, so I'm just having this while working. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't really take lunch break, like half an hour or whatever. I just eat while working, basically. So I'm still on some tasks. It looks pretty busy for the rest of the day. Yeah, I can't really show you guys what exactly I'm doing, but I probably can just show you like how we communicate, how us and the customers communicate. It's called Basecamp. But no, I can't show you because it has the company name and stuff all over it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna eat while working, and then 1:30 I'm gonna pick up my niece from her school. I have a Amazon package that I need to pull. I'll show you guys that, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. It's around 1:35, so I'm late to pick up my niece, so I'm gonna leave now. So I actually changed into a dress. For the school, it has some rules, so you can't wear, you know, any spaghetti thing, but I do have a sweater in the car that I always keep in it just for cases like this that I forget. So yeah, so this is the fit that I'm gonna pick up my niece, and I'll see you guys back. There is a, when I work, there is a tracker that I use to track my work and activity and stuff, but I'm just gonna turn that off. And yeah, but the school is not far away, it's actually pretty near. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Appreciate you so much for watching up to this point, if you are still here. So it's the end of day for me, and it's literally 5:57 p.m. honestly. So sometimes my work from home really isn't a 9 to 5, because sometimes I do go over the hours because of based on what I'm doing. Today was very hectic and stressful. Yeah, like it was really hectic. Anyways, onto the Amazon package. I just did pull the top of it to really look at it. So this is a 60-inch tripod that I ordered. You can click the link down below, right? And you can see my Amazon storefront, and you can just click on that and purchase anything that's on my store if you're interested. If not, you can still use my link and then browse and search for whatever it is that you'd like to purchase on Amazon. So this is the UV Go-Go that I ordered. I think this was like $20-something, I don't remember. But like I mentioned, it's on my Amazon storefront. So let's see what's going on with this. I really needed another tripod, something that, you know, was longer, because the one that I'm currently using right now is kind of flimsy really. So it comes with this bag. This is very cool. This is not bad. So let's see how it's looking. Comes with another bag. By the way, it also comes with a remote control, so you know, I'll be able to take my pictures by myself and all of those stuff, etc. I've been wanting to do that for a while, so glad I have that. So it comes with control. Alright, let's see how this is set up. It's not that flimsy like the one that I have, so that's good.
I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you. I do, but sometimes I can't be there for me.
Alright, so this is where your phone goes, and what I love about this, you can do 360 angle. What I love about it, this is why I purchased this one. So yeah, well, that's it. I do have some other stuff coming in. I did order some bunch of stuff from Amazon. I ordered my laptop stand. I did have one, but it broke, and I ordered a new one. It's been like a month now, but there's some things going on down at customs. The shipping people, and I've been waiting for my packages for more than a month. Actually, since August. And we're in October now, so that's pretty crazy. If you're in Jamaica, you should know about this. So I literally have like 10 items coming in and I can't get any. So I'm really annoyed, and today's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday if I didn't tell you guys. Today's Wednesday and I haven't gotten an email from the shipping company. So that means I ain't getting my package again this week. Like, it's really frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. So hopefully they'll really sort out the stuff then soon so I can get my packages. Anyways guys, I really hope you like this a day in the life, work from home type of vlog. And yeah, thank you guys again, and subscribe if you like this content. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and read the Upwork if you guys want me to you know, tell you anything about Upwork or need any assistance. Really, you can message down below. I will be doing a video, and this video will be geared towards Upwork beginners. If you know, just got accepted on Upwork, or you've been on Upwork and know you haven't gotten a job, I can, you know, recommend a company for that. So I will be doing a video of that and link you onto that company. That company is actually an agency, but if you really want to get your foot in the doors of Upwork, then I do think that would be a right step for you. I did work with that company / agency for like 5 years, so the money is sure. It ain't no scam or anything like that. So yeah, but again, thank you again, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
'Cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying.